Hey, Emily. So I'm going to help you out with that question you're struggling with. And if you look up here at the question, you're going to be given an equation that's of the form f of x equals x to the third. So this is called the basic function or the parent function. And there's all kinds of parent functions. You can have like x squared, x to the fourth power, x to the fifth power. You can have square root of x, third root of x. But basically, transformations is when you have vertical shifts, meaning up and down, and that's this number at the very end, this plus 3, indicating it's going to be 3 units upward. You can have horizontal shifts going left and right, which will always be within the set of parentheses next to your x variable, this minus 7. Now this means that you're going to go 7 units to the right, not 7 units to the left. Okay. Let me click this to enlarge the graph, and there's some other transformations in this equation, but first let's get the basic shape of the graph. This letter U shape, or if it was an upside down letter U shape, would be if the degree, or in other words highest exponent, of the equation was even. This isn't even here, this number here 3, the exponent is odd. We want this shape. So if your exponent is odd, we want this one. So I'm going to click that. Earlier I did say it's going to be 3 units up and 7 units to the right. So I'm going to look for the ordered pair 7, 3. I'm just going to click there. And this little box comes up. Okay, so it was a horizontal shift of 7, vertical shift of 3. There is no horizontal stretch or shrink. That would be if a number was right next to the x variable, like 1/2 times x, for example, you'd have a horizontal stretch of 1/2. The number on the outside of the parentheses is the vertical stretch slash shrink. So I'm going to put 5 in there. I'm going to save this and check answer, and it went through. I'm also going to send you some resources too in a moment. Talk to you soon.